Hi everyone, it's Bite-Size CG, learn 3D by taking small bites. In the last tutorial we learned how we can add lighting to our scene. We learned a few ways, and the most important one we learned how we can add lights with changing the properties of the object into emission. So in this tutorial it's gonna be not a really long one, but a really useful one. So we're going to delete the uh, planes that we created last time, and we're going to if you don't use cycles yet, or if you haven't switched it from a blender render, just switch here to cycles render. And here in the panel where you can see the globe or the earth, you just press use nodes. And what we're going to do next, first of all, go to HDR labs and just try to download one of these. I already downloaded a few, just download them uh, and extract them in a place where you're going to remember. So now we're going to split this view. We're going to hide the camera for now. We're going to split this view. How you can do it is go up here where you see a few lines, and if you go near them and you see a little plus, you just click and drag, and you're going to see two windows open. So you can make one larger and one smaller. We're going to need this one smaller, and we're going to need more space here. And what you're going to do is go down here and select Node Editor. And in the Node Editor, down here, you go to this Material panel. And when you press on it, just press the globe. So now, these are material nodes. This color, for example, dictates how this background looks. So you can change it, like make it lighter. And if you go in render mode, you can see the color changed. You can play with that, but we don't really need that. We're going to set it back to what it was. We're going to make it a bit darker. So instead, you're going to press spacebar, and you're going to type environment. Actually, not here. Shift A, search, and you're going to add environment texture. And you're going to how the node work. It's quite simple. You have this is going to be the final result, and if you search, add, or play with nodes, they will change either the material or the background and so on. So in order for them to work, now if you take this one out, you don't have this material connected to the final result, so you don't have this color displayed. And if you connect it back, now you have it back. And remember that nodes only go like color associated. So you see green goes to green, yellow goes to yellow. So now you see it looks quite weird. That's because we haven't added an HDR yet. So you press open and you go to the place where you saved your HDRs. I saved mine in this map, and we're going to test out a few of them. So first one, we're gonna go, I downloaded Grand Canyon. You can see them here, and just press, if you want to see the background, you can press the background which is quite clear, or if you want to use only the light, you can press the blurred one. We're going to pick the normal one first, and we're gonna set open image. Now you can see you don't really see the background image. And why is that? It's because we are now in orthographic mode, and if you press numpad 5, now you can see the background as that image we opened. But that's not really important. The important part is that light that you can see how it looks. We're gonna press 5 again, and now go to image mode. You see that the light is totally different, and it's quite automatically. We can play around with HDRs. You just delete this one and just open another one. We're gonna go on with this industrial hall, and we're going to select the HDR, but this time there's not gonna be any background. So now you see the color is quite okay, and you don't really have a background image. So you can also still add other lights if you want to have certain highlights. But for now it's quite enough. Or we can select the third one, which is like Ridge Crest. And we can select the one with the background on. So now you see it's quite bright. This one. And the best part about it is that the light it's like real world light. It's not like a fake studio light, and it seems more natural like this. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this tutorial useful. In the next tutorial we're going to create a background so that it goes on top of this one. We can add image, or we're gonna see how we're going to do it. There are a few ways we can do it. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section below. I'm also gonna leave a link to the site where I downloaded these HDRs, so you can also download them. So thanks, and see you in the next tutorial. Bye everyone.